I'm Gradon Diprose. I study human geography and I'm an early career researcher. So broadly my research looks at how society and the environment or nature interact. So the specific focus that I'm often involved in is things around climate change, how we adapt and mitigate the effects of that, how we revalue and rethink the economy, then how we engage with nature in terms of like biodiversity and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of trying to address the key environmental challenges that we're currently facing. When I started at university, there was a whole bunch of issues that academics and others were saying we're going to be facing in the next kind of immediate future. And those things haven't been addressed, they've only gotten worse. So I do what I do because it's my response to kind of the hopeless situation we find ourselves in. In my final year at university, we got a new lecturer and she was doing research on the Hero Parade, which was a gay pride event in Auckland. And she talked about her work in an academic context and she wasn't out, like she was an openly lesbian woman. And that was kind of fascinating for me as a young queer guy because I was kind of like, I've never seen that kind of visibility and openness in university before. And to see her work both have value and to see her respected in this way was great because it just made me think, oh, that's possible. I didn't always know I'd get into research. I think I was always driven by a sense of questions. Like I just had lots of questions about the world and I thought I'd become a planner and just kind of be involved in local government or, you know, or maybe working in central government. But yeah, so it's kind of panned out differently to what I expected. What I'd say to someone who's thinking about research as a career is it's challenging. You know, not much of my job has automated things where I can just switch off and do, you know, fill out that, you know, that boring spreadsheet or what, you know, most of it's kind of like quite conceptually challenging. But I'd also say it's super rewarding and interesting. You get to meet a wide range of people, you get to explore lots of different topics and issues and that kind of stuff. So if you're someone who's curious and gets bored quickly, it's probably a great career. So I hope early career research in the future looks like kind of at a basic level representative of the demographics of our country. So that might mean the number of Māori Pacifica researchers that actually reflect their number in the population kind of thing. And I also hope that that then means we have a broader range of what counts as research and what is considered legitimate in terms of investing our research funding and time into.